We're at MGB Plastics, the UK's leading manufacturer of wheelie bins. We produce about 2 million bins a year. My job is a maintenance engineer. I do work such as just general maintenance and also project work. My favourite thing about my job is working on the high-level automation projects here at MGB Plastics. I think the biggest lesson I took from my time at the AMRC was the project management part of my degree, which I'm using every day, which included things such as scheduling, which is really important for my current project, for working out when to build parts of my conveyors, when to install them and fit that in with the project and production plans.
Cameron has always been an enthusiastic, dedicated student. He was also very naturally intelligent. This is evident from his final year project, of which had a massive impact on his employer. His project helped reduce wear on some special components for his employer. His academic work was always of the highest quality, and I can safely say that it was always a pleasure to teach him.
My short-term goals are to finish this current automation project and longer term move it on to successful further phases and just continue my career at MGB Plastics.
Technical aerospace tool manufacturer. My particular job is research and development, so I look at developing their cutting tool products by conducting experiments in real-life applications and collecting data along the way to try and improve those cutting tools. The biggest thing I like about working here is every day is different. I'm machining different aerospace items every single day. Also, I'm using a wide variety of different equipment that's high technology and state-of-the-art. My biggest highlight of being at the AMRC Training Centre has been amongst the first cohort to complete the degree, and then something I'm even more proud of is to then apply what I've learned in my degree towards work. Just recently I've been applying some simple harmonic equations towards a project that I completed, which has turned out to be immensely successful for the company.
Craig's been a part of the Tech Centre as long as I've worked at Technica, and in that time he's been a really good part of the team. He's always delivered work to a really good standard, worked really hard. He's always keen to learn new skills, both technical and non-technical. In the future, I see Craig being a really competent applications engineer and a core part of the Technica team.
My career aspirations are to continue working at Technica and continue using all of their high-tech equipment and learning all the new methods. I also aspire to eventually be independently working with the customers and satisfying their needs.
I've been at Befrangi now for around 7 years. The company actually manufactures large crankshafts for marine and automotive applications. My job is technical engineer, so my roles include tooling, jig and fixture design. I also get involved with all process improvements. I think the most enjoyable thing about my job, and certainly the reason that I am still here, is the many challenges that we get to deal with. There's a lot of different things going off. There's really a chance to move up and develop my skills here. A lot of the things that I learned at the AMRC I have brought straight in and employed those within my job role here. So it was a really good foundation and stepping stone for me to progress within my company. And also the technical side of it, I've used a lot with the project management skills I gained also through the AMRC.
I see Josh going very far within the company. He's very strong foundation and very technically based, very strong team approach, and he's a valued member of the Befrangi UK. And it's a credit to him, the hard work he's put in, that he's been nominated for this award.
Short term, I'm looking for an incorporated engineer and chartered engineering status and move up within the company to a higher management position. Further on in the future, I'd certainly like to branch out into maybe the aerospace sector and certainly work in industries that are really at the forefront of engineering and look to make some big changes within the sector.